Hello students, today we will study about wildlife. Wildlife is an inherent part of the forest. Inherent means which occur naturally inbuilt. It means wildlife is a part of forest since its origin. They are a part of ecosystem and forest provides their habitat. Wildlife includes animals, birds, insects and many other microorganisms. Each one has a role to play in ecosystem, therefore each species is important for the survival of the other. A wildlife, an ecosystem include different type of wildlife like animals, birds, insect, and these animals, these insect, birds, they are interrelated, interdependent on each other. However, it is common knowledge now that many wildlife species has become extinct. Extinct means the population of these animals. These wildlife species are about to completely disappear, while many others have been added to the endangered list. Endangered means they are in danger. According to the Living Plant study conducted by WWF, means the Worldwide Fund for Nature, from 1995 to 2005, the decline in wildlife is estimated to be 10,000 times more rapid than ever. So according to the WWF, it was found that there was rapid decrease in the number of wildlife. What has led to such a decline? The report has attributed the reason to climate change, loss and destruction of natural habitat, pollution and overexploitation of certain species. The reason for declination, for the reduction for these animals, the reasons are because of the climate change, destruction of natural habitat, overexploitation, pollution. So what is the meaning of extinction? Natural extinction happens when the last of the species dies due to environmental changes caused by the climate change or the natural disaster. Extinction means disappearing of the animals. It occurs when because of some environmental changes which may occur naturally. Often new species that are better suited to the changed conditions replace the extinct one, but it is very slow process. Natural extinction is very slow process. Presently, however, the rapid extinctions that are taking place are not natural but human-made. But nowadays, the extinction rate is very rapid. The main reason for the rapid extinction of animal is the human being, not because of the nature. Endangered species are those plants and wildlife that are so small in number and that they face the risk of becoming extinct. These endangered species means they are present, but their number is in small number and they may face the risk of becoming extinct, becoming completely disappearing. Roughly 99% of all the endangered species face the risk of extinction because of the human activities. Human activities like pollution, overexploitation, clearing of forests for making shelters, buildings and other infrastructure, logging, hunting are the reasons behind the extinction. So human beings are thought to be the greatest threat to biodiversity. So human beings are the greatest threat means they are causing most harm to the biodiversity. Panda, Panamanian golden frog, Lear's macaw in Brazil, etc. are some of the few endangered species in the world. So you can see here one picture is given. These are the pictures of endangered species.